Hello, this is David of Systra. Today we would like to create an EA that trades using martingale strategy. Simply speaking, martingale strategy is to double up the previous investment amount if the investment was a loss. This EA is based on that martingale strategy. First, entry conditions are to buy when MA5 is greater than MA20 and to sell when MA5 is less than MA20. Re-entry conditions are to buy when the market price is 10 pips lower than previously executed price and to sell when the current price is 10 pips higher when compared with previously executed price. Close open positions when the profit of open position is more than $100. There will be a total of 10 entry steps, and first order's lot size is 0.1 and following orders will be increased by 2 times. Stop loss is set at $500. It is important to understand the tree structure of each tabs to create an EA with EA cube. The tree structure is rather simple in basic mode. Set your conditions for the strategy and combine them to make a signal. Once the signal is ready, set your option and finalize your EA in the EA setting tab. The current slide is an outline for this example. The left side shows each process of EA Cube's tabs and structures, while the right side shows each tab's title, category, and components. Before we move on, there's an important reminder. The titles we use here are written in our own terms. They may seem like coding languages, but they're just to help you understand what we are doing. You can always come up with your own titles, but it is a tip that you write the title in a way to help you remember what you are doing. There will be 4 steps for this EA. The first step, we'll create 2 conditions each for buy option and sell option. Now, let's go to the condition tab. We'll create 2 conditions for the buy open. So the category is buy open, and A4 is just an example description there. And on the left side, we'll choose the MA. The period is 5 here. And on the right side, choose MA again. This time the period is 20. And because we want MA5 to be greater than MA20, the left side should be greater. Click Add. And now, let's make a condition for reopen. Let's fill out the title. And a description here. On the left side, we'll choose the close price. And for the right side, from the select window, go to open position, buy last order, and choose the open price, and type -10 pip for the add value. And greater than or equal to, click on add. Now we'll create sell open conditions. Do everything exactly in an opposite. So we'll choose the sell open. And description should be an opposite. MA5 is less than MA20. We can just reverse the inequality sign. You can use the apply button above there and modify it to make things easier. Here we'll choose the sell last order and open price. It was plus 10 pip. and change the inequality sign and click add. In step 2, by using the conditions we made already, we'll create the signals. And now let's move to the signals section. We'll make the conditions into signals. We'll create 2 signals each for buy open and sell open. So select the condition. Add. Description here. Select the relevant condition again. Add. And we'll do the same for sell open. Description here. Select condition. And to the last condition, which is the last signal. Now you see 4 signals. In step 3, martingale strategy will be set for open option. Close option is to take profit at $100 and stop loss is set at $500. For other options, we'll use the default setting. So now, let's set the options for this strategy. We'll set martingale strategy for open option. So select open and fill out the title. Following the current example, we'll modify the total count to 10. It means maximum of 10 positions will be going into at one time. For open lot, we'll choose multi-lot, and the initial entry position size is 0.1, and 2 next to it means for re-entry, the size will be twice bigger the previous lot. And now let's go to close option part. Select close. Fill out the title. And we'll say the profit is $100. And the stop loss is set to $500. Click add to save everything. In the final stage, we'll combine the options and the signals we've created to finalize our EA. And finally, let's move to EA setting tab. By combining all the signals and options, we'll finalize our EA. So choose the options. And the signals here. Sell open signal and sell reopen signal. And click add. And click on compile button to download the EA file. And save it on the experts. Save.